Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope all are fit and fine. Yesterday in EVS class, what we learned, children? Vegetables. Yes? Root vegetable and fruit vegetable. Yesterday we learned. Yes? Today we will learn about the next concept, vegetables, leafy vegetables. Leafy vegetables. Yes? Cabbage. First one leafy vegetable name is cabbage. Then second vegetable name is fenugreek. 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 Then third one vegetable name is lettuce. Lettuce. Then fourth one vegetable name is spinach. Spinach. Then fifth one vegetable name is celery. Celery. Then sixth one vegetable name is broccoli. Broccoli. Okay. See, leafy vegetable. These are all leafy vegetable. The first one is cabbage. Second one is fenugreek. Then third one is lettuce. Then fourth one is spinach. Spinach. Then fifth one is celery. Then sixth one is broccoli. Broccoli. Okay. So these are leafy vegetables. I will repeat once again, children. The first one leafy vegetable name is cabbage. Cabbage. The second one leafy vegetable name is fenugreek. Fenugreek. Then third one leafy vegetable name is lettuce. Lettuce. Then fourth one leafy vegetable name is spinach. 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 Then sixth one vegetable name is celery. Celery. Then sixth one vegetable name is broccoli. Broccoli. Okay. This step you have to read it. Okay. You have to read all vegetable names. All leafy vegetable names. And you have to note down all leafy vegetable names in your EVS fair book. Fair book means classwork. Okay. So, the next page, page number 41, sticker activity. Sticker activity. Paste the vegetable stickers in the correct columns. Paste the vegetable stickers in the correct column. First one fruit vegetables, second one root vegetables, then third one leafy vegetables. So, you have to paste correctly. Okay. You have to paste correct column. Okay. So, all stickers are available in your awareness skill book in last page. This is a sticker page. Row wise, all stickers are available. Row wise, all stickers are available. You have to paste first row stickers in first row. That means fruit, vegetables, columns. Okay. Then second row stickers you have to paste here, that is root vegetables. Okay. Then third row you have to paste here leafy vegetables column. Okay. Row wise all stickers are available. You have to identify the outer structure and identify the correct sticker and you have to paste here. Okay. Root vegetables. Okay. Already we know fruit vegetables, root vegetables and leafy vegetables. Yes. The first one outer structure you have to see and you have to identify which sticker is Correct. Okay, then you have to paste here. The first one tomato, then second one eggplant, then third one chili, and fourth one cucumber sticker. Yes. Then root vegetables. Root vegetable means you have to paste sticker in second row stickers. Yes, you have to paste in second row stickers. So see the outer structure, then you have identify the correct sticker. See, the first one sticker is here, that is beetroot. Yes, you have to paste it. Like this you have to paste it. Okay, then second one, see the outer structure. Second one sticker is here, that is potato sticker. Okay, you have to stick here. Okay, like this you have to paste it. Okay, then third one picture. So you have to identify the structure, outer structure, that is second one carrot sticker. Carrot sticker you have to paste here. Okay, like this you have to paste here carrot sticker. Okay, then last one, that is onion sticker. Yes, the second row only one sticker is here, so you have to paste here, that is onion sticker. Okay, like this you have to paste here. Okay, then leafy vegetables, the first one, see outer structure and you have to identify the correct sticker. So outer structure, that is last one sticker is correct, so you have to paste here. Okay, like this you have to paste here. Okay, then second one you have to identify the outer structure. See the outer structure, then you have to identify the correct sticker. Okay, that is third one sticker you have to paste here. Okay, like this you have to paste here. Okay, then third one you have to see outer structure and you have to identify correct sticker. Okay, that is second one sticker. Okay, so you have to paste here. Okay, like this you have to paste here. Okay, then last one. Okay, then last one sticker, only one sticker is here, so you have to paste here. Okay, that is cabbage picture. Okay, so you have to paste here. Like this you have to paste here. So like this you have to paste here all the correct stickers in correct row, in correct columns. Take your parents' help, then you have to paste the correct sticker in correct columns. Okay, so today's homework sticker activity, you have to do the activity and send it to my personal WhatsApp number. Thank you.